Anyone can get your browsing history by clicking on search box on Google Chrome, and they will find your previous search history. Now I am going to show you how to remove all browsing history on Google Chrome. Click on three dot menu icon on upper right corner, then go to history, click on history. You will find all your browsing history here. If you wish, you can select then remove or delete browsing history one by one. Select first and then click on delete icon on upper right corner, then click on delete. In this way you can delete one by one your browsing history. If you want to delete all your browsing history at once, click on delete browsing data on left menu pane, then click on more and then click on all time and select browsing history and then click on delete data. That's it. This is the easiest way to delete all your browsing history on Google Chrome.